This is my island in the sun.
Hi guys, how you doing? Englishman here. We're outside this clock tower. We're over in Pembroke. They're not very inviting. There's a couple of people there with the door open, but they didn't seem very friendly. Everything is fenced off here. This is the old clock tower, 1903. Was part of the guard room of the British. The British really dominated this area, Pembroke. The idea of coming over here to Pembroke is to do the coastal walk, but I thought I'd show you a little bit of the British architecture. There's the tower, 1903. Here is St George, St Patrick's and St Andrew's barracks in this area. I'll show you a little bit of the architecture. Some old fountains here. Well, I'm not sure if it's been restored or what's going on here. Seems like there's some people going down there, but I don't know exactly what they're doing. I can show you a little bit of it. It's all fenced off, 24 hours security. I don't know what they're trying to protect. The clock tower is up here. 1903. Some lovely architecture. Look at the emblems there of the British and the old column work and British architecture. Here is some barracks up here. You have to bear with me, and I'm sure I'm going to be corrected on the comments, but I'm not completely sure where these three barracks are. There's one over the back here, and they seem to be everywhere, and there's one being changed into a sort of like a complex, I think. Let's cross over here because there's plenty of people driving around. I'm going to do the coastal walk to Madalena Tower. This was an area known for the knights, mostly the British, but there are barracks over here. You can see like the Block C. They're all residential homes now. Today is going to be an interesting walk. It's partly cloudy with a bit of sunshine popping out sometimes. From today on, it's going to be a threat of rain. So let's hope we can manage today without too much rain. The clouds don't look too dark. We're going in that direction. Let me show you the architecture, then we'll go down on the coast. That's the main reason why I come over here to do the coastal walk. It's like a nature trail. It goes past a shooting, I don't know what they call it, like a shooting gallery thing from the armed forces are using it. But you can see the architecture here. I'm sure some of you guys will find it interesting. This is some kind of complex, a bars or something, or a cafe. Block B, 301 to 308, 401, 408. Over here as well. Nice area, lots of barracks around here. As I say, the British did the old area. There was St Patrick's, St Andrews. What was the other one? St George, St Patrick's and St Andrews. Even there was German prisoner of wars kept over here. So it's got a lot of history, this area. I was going to show you this doorway here. It looks quite interesting. The old-fashioned windows, look, and they've been modernised a bit. I wonder how long these trees have been here. Very windy day today, guys. Over here looks interesting. Block A. Ooh, it's blowing a gale, guys. Still a lot of remnants of the British here. Things are being done up. Things are really coming to life a bit now, Malta. A bit of colour. It's a beautiful plant, eh? Let's see what's down here. I haven't been this area before, guys. No organisation Englishman. I didn't do any research. I know about the walk because I went over to Madalena. I'm sure you watched that video. That's a nice nice walk over there, down to Madalena Tower. I think it's going to be quite dramatic today, guys. It looks as if it's a lot of white surf going on over there. This area is not much to walk around. Modern buildings, modern houses. Oh, here's a doorway. I'm not sure if this was the one I saw from the front. Lots of it blocked off now for residential. Yeah, they're blocked off the doorways though. They're impressive though, eh? The whole area is built up. These are modern houses, so not worth doing a lost in Pembroke. Apart from the barracks, the rest are modern, not really of great interest. Well, they are interest for the people that live here, but not for me. Ooh, it's blowing. Oh, this is blocked off. Everywhere blocked off. Let's see what they're doing up here. It seems like there's some building work. I wonder if you realise these areas, guys, if you remember them, if you were stationed over here. Most of them been made into residential house, higher education, colleges. I think we may be going out a little bit here. Yeah, it's going out, I think. Still see the. Look at the architecture around though. Okay, guys. Oh, there's an old hut. Let's go and see that hut over there. Some old British huts. A lot of those are locked off, the British. I love this stonework of the British. Look at these old huts here that they still remnants of the British. I thought I'd give you a few minutes to walk around here. There's a park, but not really a big interest, like a kids' playing area. There's many of these buildings around. Oh, this looks interesting if you can get in. These are the old British huts here. Well, this looks quite a nice. The tower was the old guard room. The clock tower, 1903. This was Pembroke was named after the 12th Earl of Pembroke, for the British, obviously. Pembroke, Earl Pembroke, 12th Earl. It's quite impressive, this. I like to see this, the carvings on the top. You can still manage from that era. Look at the carving on the top. Okay, let's go down on the coast. It's gonna be cold. So wrap up, guys. You're coming with me. I have to just drive down a little bit. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of a being in Pembroke. As I say, Pembroke is a bit modern. It's got the reverse Moses, it's got some towers, it's got the British barracks, 3 barracks. Very interesting though. The coast is going to be really nice, going to be impressive. Let's go.
Every time we have a day, but are realistic. I know that you like it, baby boy.
Okay guys, we're back. I'm not sure if you have to wear the mask on the outside, they say. I'm going to pull it down a little bit anyway. There's nobody here. This is the nature trail of Pembroke. Pembroke was over there. You can just make the clock tower out, I think. Very modern buildings, very windy. I took the microphone away, so should be okay. Pembroke Heritage Project. Over here is the reverse Moses I'm going to show you. We're going to walk past this way. Look at the stones here though, guys. Plenty of white surf here. We'll pop down and have a look at it, because we're walking all the way to Madalena. Madalena way past there. You can't make it out yet. What we're doing is walking along this trail. Heritage Project. Tells you about the plants. In fact, I'm going to show you a few of them, because there's many different ones. This area is really nice, and now it's coming to life. You can see it's getting a bit of green now. Can hear the reverse Moses. If you didn't know, guys, ooh, straight in my face this wind. It's lovely though. Malta's water, what you drink, what you shower in, it's all from the sea. Very rarely will you get any well water. Only the farmers use it because they drill these boreholes very deep. But all our water is from the sea. Desalination, reverse Moses, they call it in Maltese. That did Mintoff, I think he did many years ago. Coastage habitat. Some towers around. St George's Bay just there. Parcherville, St Julian's. Pembroke. As I said at the beginning, there was mostly there was nothing here in the old days. Just the barracks of the British. We really know where to pick some beautiful areas for the British. It was named Pembroke after the 12th Earl of Pembroke. You know, the Pembrokeshire in England. Plenty of different plants. No flowers yet though. A few picnic areas. Can hear it humming, and there it is there. Desalination plant. Interesting name, the Maltese. Reverse Moses. When Moses separated the sea, now he brought it into Malta. Look at the sun blazing through, eh? We had some rain overnight again. This is very interesting. A lot of people will mention it under comments. The stone. I'm not sure the names of it. There's many different types here in Pembroke. Whoa! Lovely, eh? Look at the iron ore and the different types of stone. Very interesting. This coastline is the only part. Some of these stones you can find in Malta. Don't ask me to tell you the names of them. If I find the thing below, I'll let you know, because there's a lot of different types of stone that you find in Pembroke that you don't find anywhere else. On the island. You can walk along the coast here. I was going to stick to the the trail, and maybe coming back I'll take some bits of it. Stretches away. I think that's just Madalena Tower you can make in the background. As you would know, the British built the wall to finish in Madalena. Then to top it off, they put the tower here. So it was the Great Wall of Malta, right across the country, to finish here in Madalena. Not sure where the other... There's the trail. I think there's one up here to start with. Ah, here it just starts again there. Put the flag out so I can see it. Look at the area, fantastic, hey? I bet they're so tempted to start building forward. There's a road there with like a drainage system, so it's and palm trees lined all along. So I'm sure they're not going to come forward. Wow, what a noise, that buzzing noise. It's already affecting my ears. Oh, we're going to walk on the top, so we don't damage the stone then. I noticed as I was walking along, there's some, I don't know if they're like tunnels underneath, just by that tower there. Just a bit further up, there was like a British built thing, and it was underground sort of. I hope the wind's blocking, the microphone's blocking this wind, because it's blowing my hair all over the place. I'm gonna have to get a cut, guys. I'm not sure what style. What do you think? What do you think, girls? Remember the old days? I can still stick in my head when my mum used to say, no, don't remember, short back and sides and thin it out on top, please. I think he went carried away there. He thinned it out too much. Gotta have a laugh, eh? Here it is, the plant. Some native plants coming alive. These come in flower as well. Just a little bit more time. This rock formation everywhere. New towers. There's Portomasso in the background. There's another new tower going up here. Sadly, St Julian's, Partyville, finished now. Well, it's got a different, you've got to have it somewhere in the island. Nightlife and discos and high rise. Maybe it's better to keep it in one area. Here's the plant. A lot of water comes from here. You know, I'm not sure how many plants there is in like this reverse mosses, where they are dotted around. I'm sure it's not just the one. Something I've never really paid attention to. A bit more information here. All along there's nice information about the plants you're hopefully going to see. Insects, butterflies, obviously different time of years, beetles. Still maybe a little bit early, January, February, it starts flowering up a little bit. St George's Bay behind us. Just a bit further on, there's a shooting range. Last time I came past, you wouldn't let me go past. Even though they're inside shooting it, oh, Madalena Tower just showing up now on the hill. It's a lovely walk along here. All this comes to life though, you can see it's from last year. It dried up completely. It's a bit windy for insects. There is a little bit of colour here, look, coming up. This whole area is just left for nature. Nobody's touching it, just put a path through it, let nature take over. If it grows, it grows. If it doesn't, it dies. So these are lovely, look, little things just spurting to life. Still early days, as I said. Rocks everywhere, different colours of rocks, white and that sort of corrosive stone. Oh, where do we go from here? There's another bunker here, look, there's a lot of these around. I have to go up here, and so we'll walk up here a bit. Let's just have a look at this bunker. Old British bunker there, look, sealed up. Looks interesting. It's got like a reservoir to it. Or it was a farmer's. I think it seems it's not very well made, so. Oh, lovely. Look at the nature here. Maybe I'll do some cutting in between so it's not too boring for you. I'm showing you cranes as well in nature. Let's keep walking, guys. We'll walk along. I'll cut a little bit. I was thinking, wanted to get a bit close to the sea. Shall we go down a little bit there? This is the nature walk going up towards Madalena. I think it would be nicer to go down this way. This is where the shooting range is, so might be bye-bye, guys. They might not let me go through. Sometimes you can and sometimes you don't. Let's go down to the sea, guys. This is the large pipe that leads up to the reverse osmosis. I thought it was a bit better to walk along the coast than walk. There's like a nature trail, but it's a bit bare at the moment, so we're walking. It's a bit more interesting to see, eh? There's a sign coming up. I wonder if this is to say no, can't go any further. This is a bit tiring though, guys, with the wind in your face. Should have started at Madalena Tower, I never thought about it. But lovely, yeah, lovely walk. Bit of white surf, guys. That pipe's going right up to the end there. There's a bit of a path here. Stone formation is very interesting, eh? Here's the shooting range, I think, yeah. Valley coming down here. You can see we had a bit of rain the last few days, wind and rain, and the next week, for the next 4 days, up until I think it's about Monday, Tuesday, we're going to have a massive storm. But we're small, guys, so it can go over us easy. Armed Forces of Malta. It doesn't say do not go. Military firing range. Duck! Here maybe. This is an old bunker, I think, of the British. More going that way. Oh, the coast went out completely. This is a nature walk, guys, so maybe I've lost some people by now. They find it a bit boring, maybe walking into the countryside. Showing you all bits of rock, bits of sea, and my ugly mug. I love it though, the wind in your hair. Oh, over there is some old places of the British. Look at the front. There's the tower over there. Not sure exactly what was here, where there were buildings like here, like bunkers or barracks down here. Wow, what a lovely area. Oh, going the 100 yards range. I don't think there's any forces today over here. Oh, might be. I can hear some voices. Well, it doesn't actually say no entry. I just decided not to go too far down there because I could hear some voices. I didn't hear any guns going off. I don't want to poke my nose. It could have been those over there. Because I think you can walk along the coast there. Let's go over here. My idea was go to Madalena Tower anyway. Maybe we'll walk a bit along the coast, coming back. There's a lot of bunkers and all sorts of business at the front there. Real wilderness, eh guys? I decided to show you my smile because I had a few moaning people. They said, "We can't see you smile, guy." What do you think? Better or worse? I don't see the sense of this mask when there's nobody around. They can send me the fine, I don't mind. Trying to breathe and the glass is steaming up. I haven't seen anybody for about an hour, so I wish this wind was blowing the other direction though. Madalena Tower there. Clouds are coming in. Some ships out to sea. I often wonder when you see those ships where they're going or where they're coming from. Steve, what a day to pick walking on a nature trail. Pembroke Nature Trail. I saw some armed forces coming this way, guys. Should I be doing it this way? Over there, look.
Slowly, boy, and relevantly. Must clearly state that for 2 years you was a member of the Boys' Bugle Band, is that right?
Yes, Sergeant Major.
Then what was you doing?
I was the drummer.
I was just asking some advice, this guy here. I was just talking to my YouTube, because I'm on YouTube. I'm telling people about the areas and things like that. Always get advice from people if you're in these sort of areas. I was asking if it's okay because I didn't want to get into you get the sun behind me here. Ask his advice if it's okay to walk. Always best, guys. You never know. He said, yeah, you can walk down here, take a left-hand turn and get to the tower. Nice guy. Malta forces. Hello. Yeah, he said, go down here, there's another path or something. I saw these like the forces together with the... He said, we're not shooting at the moment. We're not shooting at the moment, lad. You'll be okay. There might be some stray bullets. Just dodge them if you can. No, I didn't hear any shooting because normally you can hear shooting. And I thought, better ask, eh? You can never be too safe than sorry, eh? He said there's a path down here. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on! Come on, get those legs going. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, he's been in the sea, that one. I just asked, oh, there's a whole platoon coming. Hey, 1, 2, 3. I was lucky to come across these. Madalena Tower in this direction. We can follow a path, I think. Oh. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Where have you been, Gunner?
Sorry, Sergeant Major. I'm not well. I've got a Bombay trots.
Well, you know why that is, don't you?
No.
You've got such a huge brain. It's rubbing on the inside and wearing your head out.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, bad news, guys. I'm arrested. Some of them look a bit knackered. Looks like they've been in the water, I think, with those guns and that sort of military training. He said there's a road. Oh, yeah, it is. Look. This must be where they do the... He said, because I said there's no sign about keep out. It tells you that it's the Maltese Armed Forces. Don't pick up any ammunition. Duh. You think I'm going to pick up a bomb? Yeah. What do you think, guys? You think I'm... Oh, he's English, he's a dumbass. Oh, by the way, don't pick up a bomb. Anyway, it's good of him. He said, stick to the path. We're finishing now anyway. Said we've got no live ammunition. So there would be security guards anyway, he said, because most people don't take care of the signs. Look at these bunkers here, guys. There's all sorts of things here. Seems like they're all blocked off though. Oh, this is like for the shooting, eh? They do those. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that coast. These are like rooms, I think, where they keep the ammunition. Ammunition! It's getting worse. Those clouds are coming in. Luckily, we're not far away. Madalena, we love you. And I'll make Treg's back, I think. I'm not sure, I might, if I get a bit of time, I might have a look at St. Julian's. The lights are supposed to be quite nice. Ooh. Cold, guys. Very cold. Clouds are coming in from that direction. There's only a few black ones. Madalena Tower, it's in our sights. Soon be the end of the walk. Nice cup of tea with the guard on duty. I've got a banana, I've got an apple. Nice bottle of water. We're here. Oh, the flag's out. Do, 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 do. Well, been nicely restored, this. Sadly we can't get in. I would wish they do it like an open day on some of the towers. Get on the top there. Fantastic views. What do you think, guys? We started over there, almost at that blue. Lovely walk. Pathway all the way. Only just here we're gonna, oh no, it's gonna, just a little bit of rough here, back onto the path. This can go, you can actually just do Madalena to the tower. I think it's called Madalena Trail or something. Oh, it's still the same. Sadly no flowers out yet. I was hoping. Splash some fun just in the background. Barracks, Pembroke, just so people didn't know. St. Julian's, St. George's Bay. Barracks is gravel by the sea, translated, something like that. Cha is like small stones, and Bahar is obviously the sea, which there's gallons there. Madalena Tower. If you want to read something, there was a 64-pounder on here. 1715. Just stop it and wow. Then there's also this. I think it's here where it was. This was like a catapult in the Knights' days. Forget the name, what it's called. There's a sign, I think, we can read that. There's the coast going along Barracks. Red for danger. What is it, danger? I came here some time ago. There is a video, Madalena walk, and there was a sign for it. It's what it is, what it actually is. It was like a catapult in the Knights days. Oh, here it is. Someone's knocked it over. See if we can get it so you can. Here it is, look. It was like a catapult. Now let me steady this and you can just freeze it. The sign's broken. I'll show you a little bit more about it. Here it is, look. Quite deep with a big catapult thing on it. I think that's how it was. I walked all the way down here on the last video, but I'm going to make my way back. Clouds look a bit ominous. Beautiful lookout from here though, hey guys. You see people coming from miles. Even this, I think this is where a gun was here. You can see the remnants of a concrete base. But definitely there was probably something on top of there. Oh, what a nice spot. To have a spot of, oh, somebody been doing barbecues here. Ah, still the same. Wow, that beam's coming down soon. I wouldn't want to be here. It's a chunky one as well. Oh, there's a gun here as well. Look. Maybe this way the gun was 64-pounder. Hey, very nice, eh? Wow, okay guys. Shall we leave it there? I'm going to head to St. Julian's. Maybe we'll get there when it starts getting dark. We're going to do the lights, see what the lights are like going through. Hope you enjoyed it. Bit of a nature walk from Pembroke to Madalena Tower. There she is in all her glory behind me. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Don't forget, thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Still 60% of my viewers are not subscribed. How can it be? Do you want to help Englishman? Just press that button. Very easy, very cheap, and you'll give me a smile on my face. Bye guys, take care. Englishman in Malta, thumbs up.
Englishman from Malta, and I will show you all the signs. So please subscribe to my channel and give me lots of likes.